Sanibona bafethu uvani lo. Ngiyazi kule season ama-signing esesiwenzile maningi kakhulu. Maningi ama-signings sesithengile striker, sawathenga ama-wing awu-2, sawathenga ama-defender. Even though singakamthengi u-goalkeeper omusha, but-ke ama-signings wona sesiwenzile. But la, i-TS Galaxy, i-striker se-TS Galaxy, uZenan Zajmovic. Niyamazi-ke lo mjida lo. They are set to part ways with the club. Umjida ujoyine u-TS Galaxy last season. He joined TS Galaxy last season. He only played one season with TS Galaxy. Wadlala ama-games ayi-28, wascora ama-goals ayi-11. Yabo, ungabukele ama-goals uyijole ukuthi hayi umshida akekho dead, yabo, dead strong. Umshida uyadlala ngempela. Uma wasubheke ulibuka ibhola la kwi-PSL, ubheka ama-games adlalwa i-TS Galaxy, indlela adlala ngakhona lo mshida lo. Yabo wayisiza impela i-TS Galaxy ukuthi idlale kahle last season. He was one of those players kwi-TS Galaxy abanzima abasatshwa ngempela. So mase ubheka u-Orlando Pirates bafethu, yes sinazo i-striker sisithengile uYanela Mbuthuma. Ukhona bafethu uZakhele Lepasi uyabuya bafethu. Uyabuya kwi-injury. Boitumelo Rajopane is another player. Yabo esimbheke ngamehla abovu kule season ezoqala. Yabo asazi noma uzonikezwa inithuba uLokhojo omusha mase ubheka uMakgopa noMabasa. Lawe uyabazi. I don't need to speak a lot on uMakgopa noMabasa. uMakgopa is one of those strikers mfethu abakuniyezayo mfethu something mengenile. uMakgopa uyakunikeza something, but-ke mase siza kuMabasa, uMabasa ulugwom, yabo. uMabasa unama-seasons ilo engakusho ngaye. So i-striker esinjengoZenan Zajmovic ngajabula ngempela mfethu siyijoyine u-Orlando Pirates. Angazi mhlambe bafethu, hayi mhlambe sekuwumona, ngazi ngangitshela ama-comment ukuthi mhlawumbe sekuwumona, but mina ngingajabula impela ukubona umdlalo kanje, because mase sitholile edition le kule squad se-Orlando Pirates ezizama ukusakha, because right now we are trying to build a new team. Because there's a new coach. We must come up with a new team. Yabo. So uZajmovic angaba umdlali o-perfect. Yes, we signed 2 wingers. We need to sign 2 strikers too. Ngeke mfethu sithembele kuYanela Mbuthuma kuphela. What if uYanela Mbuthuma doesn't give us into esiyidingayo? So thembela kulezi striker ade zikhona vela. Ade zikhona kwi-team ezingasinikeza lutho ejabulisayo last season. I-striker zethu zo-2. uMabasa noMakgopa ngeke ngimbala uRajipane. Useyisadlalanga last season. Ayifikanga kuma-goals ayi-10 kuyaphezulu. Yabo. Ayifikanga kuma-goals ayi-10 kuyaphezulu. So asikwazi ukurely kwi-striker kanjalo. So uZajmovic mina ngokwami ngajabula ijoin Orlando Pirates, but-ke wangitshela ama-comments wena mfethu.